Cats, I'm here to teach you about the Tdap vaccine, which means tetanus, diphtheria, acellular pertussis vaccine. This vaccine protects you against diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis, aka the whooping cough. People from ages 11 to 64 should get this vaccine. Children ages 11 to 12 and adults 19 to 64 should get their Tdap vaccine instead of the TD vaccine. The cause of pertussis, diphtheria, and tetanus are bacteria found all around us. You need to protect yourself from these because they may make you very sick and can even kill
you. Get it?